Miss Pratima took health insurance policy for her family and paid 900 rupees as SGST. So what's given here?
SGST.
Right, SGST is rupees 900. Find the total annual premium including GST paid by her for this policy if the rate of GST is, that means GST percentage is 18%. Alright, so let's revise up one more time. So the GST rate is 18%. What will be the rate of GST of SGST? 9%. That means SGST percentage will be 9%. But how much is the SGST?
900.
900. So let the premium be rupees X. So 9% of X must be equal to 900. Does this line make sense? Yes? Because SGST is 900 and if the premium is X, that means 9% of X must be 900. Yes or no? Yes, Zisha? You got it? Alright. So let's simplify. So we have 9 upon 100 of X equals 900. Then if you cross multiply 900, that means the premium will be 10,000 rupees, right? So how much he has to pay annually? Will be how much? What will be the annual premium that he has to pay? What is the premium that he is paying? 10,000. So that much though he has to pay only. So 10,000 plus, and how much will be the GST?
1800.
Very good. It will be 1800. It will not be 900 because the SGST is 900. So GST has to be double. So it will be 11800. 11,800. Got it? Did you get it? So let's see some previous year's question. So this question came in the year 2014. Alright, you'll get an idea about what kind of questions are asked. So question number 8. So it's a table type of question. So Rohan bought the following eatables from his friend, these. So the items are laddu and pastries. The price are these and these. The quantity is 2 kg and 12 pieces. The rate of GST is this. Directly GST is given. Calculate the total GST paid and the total bill, total amount. So I'll do this question in the table format. See, whenever you have quantity, right? Whenever in the question you have quantity, the first thing that you have to find is the total price, right? So we'll find the total price here. So if they're charging 500 rupees per kg and we bought 2 kg, so what will be the total cost? It will be 2 into 500, that is 1000 rupees. And if they're charging 100 rupees per price, so for 12 pieces they will charge 12 into 100, that is 1200 rupees, right? So total price, what will be the formula? Total price is price multiplied by quantity. Then we will find the GST directly since there is no discount. So GST will be 5% of 1000. So 5% of 1000 is 50 and 18% of 1200. So the total price will be 1000 plus 1200, that is 2200, and then the total GST will be rupees 216 plus 50 to 266 rupees. Right? Let's see the next question, question number 9. Alright. Again, I'll be doing this with breaking method. That means I'll take one item and do it individually. But if you want to go, if you want to do, you can go ahead with the tabular method also. So I'll do for hair oil first. Okay. Now for hair oil, the price is equal to rupees 1200. The GST percentage is 18%. The discount is rupees 100. So first of all, we will find the discounted price. The discounted price will be rupees 1200 minus 100, that is 1100 rupees. And then we have to find the GST. So GST will be 18% of the discounted price. So 198 rupees. Then we will do for the cashew nuts. This will be in the same page. So for cashew nut, the price is rupees 600. The GST rate is 12% and there is no discount. So the discounted price will be 600 itself. Then so we have to find the GST directly then. GST will be 12% of 600. So cancel, 12, 6, 70. So here also we have to find the total GST paid. So number one, total GST paid will be equal to, and then total billing amount including GST will be equal to. So fill the gaps. Abigail, you got? Okay, can you tell me, Abigail, what is the total GST that you got?
270.
Rupees 270. And what is the total amount that you got?
170.
Okay, how did you get that?
The total amount of the GST.
Okay, so that means for hair oil you're paying how much? 1100. And the GST you're paying for the hair oil is 198. And for cashew nuts you're paying 600 plus the GST you're paying is 72. So that way you got how much?
190.
19. Okay, good. 3 items here: medicine, pair of shoes, and a laptop bag. Let's do one by one. So 5%, so GST will be 5% of 950. So if you cancel 5 2s are 10, 2 4s. So 47.5 for pair of shoes. Therefore, GST will be 18 by 100 of 3000. So 540. And finally for laptop bag, discount percentage is 30% and GST percentage is 18%. Okay, now just look at this question. All right, if you are doing, please stop. Just look at this question. So whenever discount percentage is given, no? Okay, whenever discount percentage is given, there are two ways to find the discounted price. Okay, an easier way is, you know how we do. First you find the discount. So discount will be 30% of 1000. So if you cancel the zeros, you get 300, and then you find the discounted price. So discounted price will be 1000 minus 300, that is 700 rupees. But there's another way to do it. It's much faster. That is, you can directly find the discounted price. So how do we do that? So how do we do it? See, discount is how much? 30%. That means that 30% has been removed for you. So you will have to pay only 70%. Yes or no? Right? Are you getting my... See what I'm trying to say? Discount means what? A portion of which you do not have to pay. Right? So if they are saying that 30% is discount, that means 30% has been removed from the price. So you have to pay only the remaining 70%. So now you can find the discounted price directly by using 70% of 1000. Alright, and you will see the answer will come up to be the same. In one line we can finish. But both are correct. Okay, whichever you are comfortable with, you can do any of them. Alright, so we know the discounted price. So now we can find the GST. GST is 18%. So 18 over 100 of 700. So cancel. Rupees 126. So part 1, total GST. Total GST will be 47.5 plus 540 plus 126. If you add them,
730.
so it should be 713.5. All right, and then total amount including GST, right? Okay, including GST. You have to mention it in the bracket, okay? Including GST. So that will be equal to, what is the cost price? 950 plus 3000 plus, here you will be using the discounted price, okay? So 700 plus 713.5. 53.
So we for medicines, right? So we took out GST and then like the total how much he spent on buying medicines. Then next pair of shoes, then with GST.
That will not change anything. Like for medicine, what did you get?
47.5.
No, that was the GST total.
Got 997.5.
997.5, correct. Then this one, what did you get?
3,540.
Correct. Then this one, what did you get?
Which one?
This one you might be wrong, I feel.
700.
No.
No.
So 1126.
How 1126? 700 he is buying it for, right? Discount you don't want?
Yes, sir.
Huh? You have unlimited credit card.
326.
Ah. You got it, Zishan?
Sir, please, sir.
Did you make the same mistake as him?
So what mistake?
The total price for the laptop bag, Surojit added the cost price and the GST. But you have to add the discounted price, right?
700 is the discount.
No, did you get it or not? You got it, Surojit? No, did you understand what mistake you made? Yes. And Zishan? Did you understand the mistake?
No, sir.
See, okay, let's imagine that you are paying only for the laptop bag. Zishan? Let's imagine that you are paying only for the laptop bag. So how much would you pay him? Only for the laptop bag. How much would you pay him?
1000.
Okay.
That's the price, but I got 1126.
So would you pay him 1126 though?
I don't understand what he's trying to say.
See, you paid him 1126. Why? Because you are thinking that, oh, 1000 is the price and 126 is the GST. Alright, but that's a very common mistake. Try to understand. He has already given you a 30% discount, remember? So 30.
Oh, so be 700 plus
Yeah.
126.
You got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good, Irene. You got? Good. You got? Good. You got? Okay. Mary? Okay. Abigail said, don't ask me, sir. It's so obvious that I got it.